Hello everyone, welcome to the next part of our tutorial. Now we are going to make what we have uh, into a digital asset. For doing that, we are just going to select all that we have and put it on a subnet. And this subnet, as you can see, here it is. There is an output node here, which will be our output of our node. Now we need to do this. We are going to right click on our node and create digital asset. And this digital asset we are going to name bridge. And a submenu is when you right click or click tab, there will be a submenu that you will see your node here and you can create it. So we are going to make a cosmic palette fx, just a cosmic palette fx bridge, and we can add a version or a namespace to it. Now it asks us where do we want to save it. We are going to save it in the OTL in our documents folder. Now we can hit create, and we have a digital asset now. So this digital asset, we will configure it right like this. First of all, there is no input. We don't have any input for our digital asset so we are going to put it to 0 and hit apply. As you can see, we don't have any input anymore. Now we are going to go to parameters, and let me rearrange this a little bit so we can see. Okay, let's make use of all the space that we can use. Now we are going to go inside. First of all, we need the length of our bridge. So any parameter that I want to promote here to our asset and give user access to it, you can just click and drag here, and yeah, you see the length is here. I'm just going to rename it to ln. 0 to 10 is good, and now I just want to make it to 50 maybe, and just apply. Now you see we have the parameter at the HDA level. So the next parameter is it's going to be this. So we want to use, I'm going to decide to use vex for this asset. This is just going to be here. Or we can, for the sake of tutorial, I will do something like this. So we are going to make yeah, let's do this first, and I will do a separate video for that, and because it's a little bit complicated. So height multiplier, I'm gonna put it here. Height add, I'm going to put it here, and ramp curve, I'm going to put it just here. So we have all of that, and just hit apply, and we will see everything is up here. Okay, now we don't have anything more. Okay, now I'm going to make a folder. In this folder, I'm going to name it planks, and it's going to be a simple folder. And now we are going to put what we need here. So first of all, we need the number of planks here. num planks, I'm gonna call it just planks. And the sweep is going to be, this is the first sweep. This width is going to be our entire bridge width. So I'm going to put it up here with these, and I'm gonna name it bridge width and bridge underline width. Okay, everything is fine. Bridge width. I'm gonna put 5 here, 0 to 5. Okay, it's okay. Planks is okay. Everything is fine. This is an integer. Everything is good. Now columns. We don't need anything else here. Yeah. Sweep is good. We did this. We don't need anything here. This is the gap between the planks. We can promote it here, but yeah, let's do it. So we're going to put a float here and name this plank gap. We just call it gap. And this gap is going to be from 0 to 0.5 or 0 to 0 to 0.1. Let's do it this way. And the default is going to be 0. Okay. Now we are going to go up. Just copy this and go inside and put 1 here and minus and paste relative reference. So this is going to be our planks gap. Nice. Okay. Oh, now, sorry, I closed the type. If I want to get it back, the properties, just right click on the node and type properties. Okay, here we go. Gap is okay. Poly extrude. So that was the gap. This is the thickness. I'm gonna call it the plank thickness. And the thickness is 0.1, 0.5 maybe, and no luck. Okay, fine, everything is okay. Now we can, now here we can say that if we want the back faces or not. So I'm going to put this one as well. Output back, everything is okay. And now unwrap, we don't need it. And this is that's also okay. We don't need this. Bevel, we need bevel, of course. So the bevel is going to be here. What happened? I don't know. Okay. And the bevel, and we can put the division also here. I don't know why. Yes, it's okay. The divisions also here, and the planks is okay. Now let's see, everything's here. the gap is 0 or 0.1. Yeah, everything is fine. Okay. Now we are going to the next bricks. A new folder. I'm gonna make a new folder, bricks. Oh, here we go. Bricks. Here we go. We are going to make the name planks. Okay. So bricks are just, we did the width here, rail base is here, and now the number of bricks, which I'm gonna call num bricks, and just bricks here. Apply. Okay, sweep. Now this sweep is going to be the width of our bricks, as you can see. I'm gonna put it at 0.3 and width just bricks. I'm gonna name it unique because maybe someone wants to reference it somewhere and they don't want to be confused with other. And we need exactly the same like before. We are going to make something like this and name it bricks gap, and the level is going to be gap, range is going to be 0.5 here. Apply, going up. You see everything is going to be here. Just gap copy, and we're going to put it right here. Okay, and the default value is going to be 0.1. Yeah, okay, or maybe 0.5. Okay, now the extrude, which is going to be brick height, I'm gonna put it for default in 25. 0.25. I don't know why my mouse is not clicking. Okay. Well, so the bevel is going to be, I'm gonna put it, oh, I think this is probably bevel one offset. Yeah, this one was just here. We need this. Okay. Okay. Let's call this bricks height and just height. Yeah, okay. I think I spelled it wrong. Okay. Now this is okay. Unwrap, we don't need it. This is our bevel, which is going to be the same name. bevel, apply, and this is going to be brick 1 division. Where is brick 2 division? It didn't came here. Oh, I don't know why it does that to us. Okay, division, it's okay. Now brick also is finished. And 3, 2 bricks, it's okay. Now we need to just put this into the simple. Okay, on to the next one.